Best way to make money online from home at any age. There are various side hustles that you can be done by most age groups and skills level. For instance, interning data or selling used clothes online to see which side gigs catch your eye. Keep reading or jump through each age group. So number one is complete online survey. So feedback can help companies fine-tune their products, services, and consumer interests, making them more money. To gather information. Businesses will pay people to answer survey questions. You can take these surveys in your free time to earn extra money. Website like uh, offer paid services for various companies. In most cases, money earned in paid through PayPal or gift cards. Time low to high earning is $5.35 per survey. Number two is selling your favorite stock images. So have an eye for photography, side hustle your passion and earn passive income for your favorite pictures. Post each photo on website like iStock Photos and Shutterstock and Getty Images to earn royalties. Each purchased photo could earn you anywhere from 0.25 to $0.45. If you post photos frequently, you could earn more as your online portfolio grows. So earning 0.25 to per image. Extra tool needed like camera. So number three is virtual assistant. So becoming a virtual assistant as an online businesses grow, so do they need for extra help. You could lend your skill to busy bees. Online tasks could include uploading images to e-commerce sites, scheduling appointments, or making phone calls. In most cases, the jobs pay $7 to $40 an hour depending on your skills level. Making time is like medium earning is $7 to $40 an hour. Earn money off your reviews. Is an increasingly digital world, review play as an important role in a brand success. For businesses to improve, they often ask for consumers' feedback in exchange for cash. You can find companies that will pay you to try their products or services or review purchases you will already made. In exchange for discounts. For instance, will give you extra bonus points, allowing you to build up to a paid credit for every review you make online. Earning $5 to $30 an hour. Selling Sell household items on eBay or Amazon. Yeah, here you can see sell household items or eBay on Amazon. If you are not using something in your house, consider selling it. For example, you could have a couch or organizational bins that you don't use anymore. Sell them. Start by creating an account. Take pictures of your sale and post them on eBay or Amazon. List each item at a price that would best for you. Low time to high earning pay varies by item. Extra too. Rent your gadgets by the hours. Electronic waste increased by 21% between 2014 and 2019. To avoid the waste, you could make money off gadgets you don't use while helping the planet. Website likes uh, find willing to rent various items. All you have to do is fill out your profile, post your products for rent, and you can earning is $3,000 a month. So number seven is enter data online. So we can discuss a little bit more about these online earning tips. Entering data, creating and sell your own printables. Number nine is sell your unused clothes online. Number 10 is become a product tester. Number 11 is bake or meal free for others. Transcribe by the hour. Start a garden and sell your produce. Rent your own clothes. Rent your clothes. Play online games. Make money of Skillshare and earn cashback